Three. Happy Sunday, everyone. My name is Jeffrey Jones. I am from theboxmen.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. Our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxmen.com. And in this video, we're going to take a look at one of the most affordable utility applications that will keep your device running really smooth, and it's called adlock. Before we jump in the video, thank you so much for being on many of our platforms, so specifically the YouTube platform and the Rumble platform. We'll leave those links in the description. If you could do me a favor as we go through the video, either now or towards the end of the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Giving us a thumbs up helps us with the algorithm of the great platform of YouTube. Now, adlock is one of the paid ad blockers that I use. I use another one called Blockada, but I recently have this on my upscale devices, adlock. So to show you everything about what it can do before I go into the app, I'm going to go to Zeus TV browser and open up this. And let me see if I could go to history. I think I was there. And there's adlock. We're going to click on adlock right here. And I'm going to bring up the magnifying glass because I'm a bit older. So let's bring this up here. There we go. Zeus TV browser is very, very good. So you can see adlock, the premier ad blocker. Let me close this real quick. This just stayed signed out. Great. For distraction-free surfing, there is a free version of adlock available. Adlock does offer both free and paid ad blockers. Free options include browser extensions available for all things. So let's go ahead and click on this really quick. Go to the website. All right, here we are. So let's go to products really fast. You can see the products. You got adlock for Windows, adlock for Mac, Android, and iOS. That's a good thing, right? And you got 70% off the 5-year plan, which we'll look at. So I've been using this for a while. I got all kinds of, I can check my traffic, my protection. I get notifications, all of that. And I like when the adlock is on. My internet, when I'm streaming like right now, is faster. And it's an effective blocker. And so you can download it on all those. You can see all the people that use it, I should say organizations that are connected with it. And so basically what you're doing is increasing your device's capability with adlock and ad blocker. No trackers. It's efficient, universal, works on everything. So they're really, 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 really good for the price. You'll see in a minute. It blocks online ads, removes annoyances, disables trackers and scripts, saves traffic, and hastens site loading faster. So if I'm doing something on the box or whatnot, works on any browser and app. That's key. It works on any browser and any app. Many of us have our choices. Many of us are very universal. We want to be flexible. So you're not locked in just to Chrome. Some people use Opera and other different browsers. So they provide 24/7 technical support. So, I mean, with an ad like that or with a blocker like that and 24/7, that is really, really good. So let's look at some of the things, let's say you want to purchase right now. All right. Look at the deal here. You get 5 devices per every plan, 30-day money-back guarantee, 5 years, build every 5 years. I think it comes out to $63 and some change. Now, I don't know why it's not showing, but I spent about $63 for 5 years. Absolutely 5 years. So the privacy protection is on adlock.com, all right, from Zeus TV browser. So it's $63 and some change, I think 49 cents for 5 years. And some of the users, you got, some where they, rated the app. Here's why you need an ad blocker. Every time you go on the internet, because you're on the internet, I was told and was taught that it is pinging, trying to get your attention. All right. It is trying to get you to notice it, put a tracker, see how you shop, and all of that. A VPN, unless they have this built in, doesn't protect you from ads and trackers. These utility applications are pretty paramount when it comes to streaming, because streaming devices use the internet. And if you're going to use the internet, you might as well get free protection or $63 for 5 years. That is a no-brainer off the top. Okay? So I wanted to show you the website, and I'm going to show you the ad or the blocker really fast. And it's super easy to use, super efficient, and I think you're going to like it. So let me go ahead and come here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to adlock right here. And I'm going to turn it on so you can see how many things it has blocked since I've had it. So let me turn it on right here, and we're going to turn it on. 24,043 blocked requests of ads. 24,000. So I think I've had adlock close to the first year. And in about 11 months, I have blocked over 24,044 ads. Okay. Now, I don't do a lot of surfing or using the internet a lot on my media device. Now, I probably have some different stats on my laptop because I use my laptop for business and things of that nature. But here I'm usually streaming. Okay. But still, this is how many ad requests came to your device. And if you don't have an ad blocker, you're wondering why you're buffering. You're wondering why your experience or your device is not running at an optimal level. It's because you, as the user, we need to find very inexpensive, if not free, close to free and affordable utility apps. And that includes ad blockers. So let this sink in. 24,044 ads have been blocked in 11 months. So I would take a look at adlock. I would go to their website, take a look at it, get the free one first, and then if you like the free one, because you can install it from their website, absolutely free, I will put a link in the description below. But let these numbers motivate you to at least check it out, because if you don't stop the ads, they're not going to stop. They're going to continue. Especially if you're using Chrome, everyone knows that Google will run ads on their mama. Google is about advertising. They do not care. Look at every time we get YouTube. Unless you're buying premium, you are running ads on my videos or any other videos. And we have a right to skip them or whatever we want. So this is adlock. Take a look at it. I will put a link in the description below. And if you guys can comment and tell me if you use an ad blocker, which one do you use? I'd like to take a look at it, maybe do a video about it. But take a look at adlock. And if you like what you see, comment below. Also, thank you guys for those that have, wrote in or sent in a text to get the free Formula Z Mini. We are really grateful for that because we're looking forward to that as August is coming up very quickly. And on August 4th, we will announce a winner. And I will ship out a brand new Z Mini, Formula Z Mini, to a good subscriber. If you guys are interested in any media devices that we have, currently my website, or our website, I should say, it's been under maintenance for months. And that's simply, nothing's wrong. I wait on the best guy. This guy has been locked down with business, and I just left it off because I wanted to change things the right way. But there's a way that you can reach us to ask us what devices we have. We're very affordable, and we have the best support services, which means we support you, hardware-wise, technical-wise, customer service-wise when you buy a device from us, 100%. And our customers pay us an annual support service fee to do that because we're really, really good at it, and we're really, really fair. So we have some of the best devices. Talk to us. Tell us what you're looking for. You always have a 30-day money-back guarantee. We'll see you in the next video as we're going to show you how to be a recording maven or king on every Formula device. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.